Oracle Commerce. And is this the best cloud-based digital platform for you this year? Let's talk about that. So here's a synopsis I want you to think about. When you think about Oracle Commerce, I want you to think about a cloud-based digital commerce platform that helps all kinds of businesses manage online stores, product catalogs, and customer relationships. So really, when you analyze Oracle Commerce, I want you to think about a tool that's great for companies of all sizes, but specifically the ones that really want the large enterprises that have complex product offerings and global operations. And so if you have a smaller set of operations, you might want to go for the sister product that Oracle has, which is the NetSuite Suite Commerce. So we think that within Oracle Commerce, you have key benefits that include scalable architecture, you have omni-channel capabilities, and robust marketing automation tools. And popular features include product content management, order management, and built-in analytics. So that's kind of cool. So what are the pros and cons here when you think about this platform? Well, in terms of pluses, I'll go through the pros and cons in detail later on, but I just want to give you a bird's eye view of the tool itself. So you have a scalable architecture, omni-channel capabilities, robust marketing automation, flexible and customizable features. You also have a strong developer community. In terms of minuses, you have a complex interface. Okay, you have a tool that lacks documentation, a high cost, and so if you're a small business, you do not want to go with Oracle Commerce for sure. And you do have you should expect a steep learning curve as with all Oracle products. I mean, the steep learning curve is not really that bad. It just means that if you're not used to Oracle Commerce, or let's say Oracle products in general, you might actually experience some difficulties at the beginning. But the tool itself is just fantastic, okay? And pricing varies based on features and usage, with subscription options and pay-as-you-go models available. I'll speak about pricing later on more in detail, so you have a clear idea of what to expect when it comes to Oracle Commerce pricing. I want to talk to you about the features here. So when you think about Oracle Commerce, what kind of features can you really expect to have? Well, let's first talk about B2B commerce, because the cool thing is that with Oracle Commerce, you have B2C commerce, but you also have B2B commerce. Okay, so with B2B commerce, you are able to scale online revenue and deal with the complexities of B2B sales from a multi-geography point of view. In other words, if you are a large enterprise and you actually are present in many jurisdictions, Oracle Commerce can actually help you navigate things seamlessly. So when we talk about B2B commerce, you have self-service. So you allow clients to navigate and shop for themselves with ease. So in terms of self-service, you can deliver actually a B2C caliber customer experience with native support for contract pricing, for instance. You have account-based selling and customer catalogs. So that's kind of cool. From a scalability point of view, you are well served there. You are able to provide flexibility to business clients through unlimited accounts, hierarchy, and permission specifications. You are able to simplify the approval process by streamlining rules and requirements based on shoppers' unique needs. So that's kind of cool in terms of efficiency. We love that a lot. You are also able to basically allow clients to place orders from their procurement systems. So that's for e-commerce management. Okay. Now let's talk about that's for self-service. We are still talking about B2B commerce. Okay. For self-service, that's what you have. Let's talk about website management. So with website management, you are pretty well equipped here as well, because you are able to take care of all elements of creating and maintaining a website that really focuses on enhancing the customer experience for both B2B and B2C commerce. So here I'm speaking about hosting, for instance. I'm speaking about storefront, for example. I'm speaking about design, for example. In terms of integration, you are well served also. You can integrate to ERP, EPM, SCM, CS solutions. You have global support. So you have supports that's available in more than 40 languages and 60 currencies to help scale and grow your business. You have embedded intelligence in terms of search, personalization, and analytics. You also are able to configure price and quote within the software. So that's kind of cool. So the CPQ features are really, really great. So we love that a lot. You have subscription management. You have content management. You have also customer data platform, the CDP platform. So that's kind of cool. So overall, you have a pretty convoluted, but convoluted in a good way, the convoluted platform. I want to talk to you about the value here. So in terms of pricing, you can see on the screen that Oracle wants you to really contact them. So if you want to know more about Oracle Commerce, there is no price, no pricing available. I mean, this is actually customary to all, and I mean all, Oracle's products. So do not be surprised here. Oracle wants you to contact them so you have a clear idea. But based on our investigation, pricing is around $15,000 per month. Okay, so Oracle Commerce pricing varies significantly depending on the chosen features, deployment model, cloud versus on-premise, and expected usage value. And the base cloud subscription starts at around $15,000 per month, with additional fees for transaction processing, storage, and customizations. So on-premise deployment involves significant upfront licensing costs and ongoing maintenance fees. So you have the possibilities to actually have something cloud-based or on-premise deployment. So that's totally possible. And Oracle actually offers several payment options for subscription plans, including annual upfront payments, monthly payments, and multi-year commitments with discounts. And the specific options and pricing may actually vary depending on your region and negotiated contract terms. And there are also some hidden costs associated with Oracle Commerce that you should be aware of this year. So beyond the subscription fees, you should consider hidden costs like implementation services, integrations with third-party applications, custom development needs, additional storage or bandwidth requirements, and ongoing training and support. And this cost can significantly impact the total cost of ownership. And you should be aware of that. I mean, right off the bat, this is really important. And one thing I want to say here is that you always want to contact Oracle to have a real conversation before you commit anyway. Okay, you want to make sure that they answer all your questions before you actually commit to a monthly plan or even a yearly plan. Let's talk about the benefits here. So when we think about Oracle Commerce, what are the benefits that you can really have with this tool this year? Well, you have increased sales and revenue. You have improved customers' experience. You have enhanced operational efficiency. That's kind of cool. You have data-driven decision making. So we love that because you're not making decisions anymore out of the blue. You have a solid data that backs you up. You have a scalability and agility. You have reduced cost. You have improved time to market. So the time to market, the TTM is really faster there. You have a tool that also enhances compliance and security. You have a rich ecosystem of partners. So Oracle really offers a vast network of partners and developers, providing access to specialized services and extensions to further enhance the platform's functionalities. And you also have future-proof technology. So that's kind of cool. So long story short, you have a lot of capabilities there, especially when I speak about the increased sales and revenue. What happens here is that if you go with Oracle Commerce, right off the bat, you have a comprehensive platform for managing online stores, product catalogs, and customer relationships. So you are able to optimize your online sales funnel and drive conversions all the time. So that's kind of important to think about. And when I speak about improved customer experience, the cool thing is that you have a set of omni-channel capabilities and personalized shopping experiences. So you're able to build stronger customer relationships and also increase loyalty over time. You're also able to streamline your workflows and automate your tasks so that you can free up valuable resources and focus on strategic growth initiatives. That's kind of cool from a scalability point of view. We love that a lot. And from a scalability point of view, again, remember that this is a cloud-based platform that's really designed to scale seamlessly with business growth, allowing your business to adapt to changing market demands. So that's kind of cool. That's really cool. And you're able to automate, improve efficiency also, and also have access to optimized workflows that can really contribute significantly to cost savings across various operational areas. So what's the evaluation here? I promise you that we are going to do a little more granular pros and cons evaluations. So I want to first talk to you about the pros and then the cons. So let's first talk about the pros, the pluses of Oracle Commerce. So you have scalability, flexibility, personalization, promotions, omni-channel, and you also have security. Let me break it down for you. I want to break it down for you. So when I speak about scalability, you are able to handle high traffic volumes and large product catalogs efficiently. In terms of flexibility, you are able to adapt to diverse business needs and integrate with various systems. In terms of personalization, you are able to deliver personalized shopping experiences for individual customers. For promotions, you can manage complex promotions and discounts effectively. For omni-channel, you can support actually a seamless shopping across multiple channels: mobile, offline, retail, online. And for security, you are able to provide robust security features to protect customer data. And that's what you should do anyway. And what about, let's talk about the cons, some of the cons here. So you have limited B2B features on some modules. So Oracle Commerce offers limited out-of-the-box functionalities for B2B needs, such as complex pricing rules, contract management, and self-service portals. You have customization complexity. So while offering extensive customization options, you might experience difficulty and resource intensiveness in achieving desired results. You also might have a large implementation overhead process. So implementation timelines tend to be longer and require more resources compared to other platforms, impacting time to market. You have a steeper learning curve. I spoke about that later on. A little earlier rather. With Oracle Commerce, you are going to have a steep learning curve no matter what. You also might have a limited community support. So compared to other platforms, Oracle Commerce has a smaller user community, making finding help and troubleshooting issues more challenging in our investigation. So let's talk about the approaches to common challenges that Oracle Commerce really helps you, tame, if you will. So you have personalization and customer experience. You have omni-channel management. You have scalability and performance. You have marketing automation. You have data-driven insights. Security and compliance, that's an important element to think about. You have operational efficiency. You have also flexibility and customization, global reach, and future-proof technology. Well, one thing I want to say is that when you think about approach to common challenges, especially when it comes to personalization and customer experience, the cool thing is that Oracle Commerce's AI-powered personalization engine delivers actually tailored recommendations and product suggestions, and this actually fosters stronger customer engagement and driving conversions. This is kind of similar to what the Oracle, another Oracle product, NetSuite SuiteCommerce, is offering. Same thing for omni-channel management. So they actually collaborated a little bit in terms of giving a similar set of modules. So in terms of omni-channel management within Oracle Commerce, you are able to access seamless integration across online, mobile, and physical stores. And this ensures that you have a consistent brand experience and simplifying actually the purchase journey for your customers across the board. So that's kind of cool in terms of scalability. We love that a lot. One thing I want to say also is that when you think about Oracle Commerce, I want you to think about the ability to get things done a lot faster. That's really an important element to think about. You also have guided learning, so you can learn through in-app guidance during workflows. You can upload personalized training material if required. You can set up role-based training for the entire team, so that's kind of cool. You also have cloud learning subscriptions, so you can subscribe annually to access actually a variety of digital courses on the product. You can receive personalized training based on job roles. You can track progress, and you can align actually the team's skills with upcoming trends. And you can also get certification. So you can choose a training course to prepare for exams. So that's kind of cool. Now, long story short, you are able to get access to help, that's for sure. Just call 1-800-223-1711. Again, the number here is that 1-800-223-1711. And so if you are in the US, of course, and Oracle will answer all questions that you have about its commerce products. So is this worth it? Is this tool worth it, really? Well, we think so. We think that this tool is really worth it. As long as you have the logistical needs, the operational needs. If you are interested in B2B, B2C processes, Oracle Commerce can really help you out. Oracle Commerce actually adds a lot of value because it provides a number of ways for you to customize the look and feel of your store, including themes, skins, and CSS. And you could also use the Oracle Commerce platform to create custom components and modules. So that's kind of cool because this capability allows you to create a unique shopping experience for your customers and brand your store accordingly. That's kind of cool. And you can actually integrate Oracle Commerce with your existing systems. That's really fantastic too. So the reason why we actually recommend Oracle Commerce is that of the integration. So Oracle Commerce actually provides a number of APIs and tools to make it very easy for you to integrate this tool with your existing systems, such as your CRM, ERP, and order management systems. This is important because it allows you to streamline your operations and improve customer service. That's kind of cool, and you're able to improve the performance of your Oracle Commerce store through several things. You can optimize your images. You can use a content delivery network, a CDN, and you can also cache your pages, okay? So that you can actually improve the user experience and increase your conversion rate. But as I told you a little earlier, Oracle is not cheap, right? Oracle Commerce is not cheap. So you got to have a certain critical mass, monetarily speaking, before you can actually, enjoy or you can even afford. I mean, $15,000 before you can even afford Oracle Commerce. That's for sure. So the end remarks here. So in today's conversation, I spoke to you about Oracle Commerce. So I gave you the synopsis, the features, the value, the benefits, the evaluation, and whether or not this tool is worth it. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.